at Handshow Installation Center for EVs, specifically for Tesla and Rivian. So if you're not familiar with Handshow, they sell, plus they do installation here in Orange County. So checking out their facility here. This is their welcome room where they sign agreement and also give you estimate and go through some of the invoices and charges. So they have a nice waiting room there, office space, restroom for guests. And let's go ahead and take a look at what they're working on. So this is their showroom, and they have condiments, waiting area. They have sample display, so you can take a look, take a feel for what it is that you potentially would be interested in. These are all the lights for the Model 3 and Y. You have light bars there. You have actual bumper light indicator as well, plus brake lights. You have lots of stuff for Cybertruck here, carbon fiber pieces for interior, exterior. And you also have the silicone cup holders, the wheel center cap cover, the live rear mirror, which is very popular. And we actually have that installed here as well in a previous Cybertruck that we had. And Cybertruck brake calipers in red. You have mud guards and also other carbon fiber pieces. Also have Model Y accessories from carbon fiber to actual swivel mount. And there's a swivel mount now for the Cybertruck as well. You have door seals that lights up. You have calipers as well, and door handles, carbon fiber, Model 3, and then S and X over there. You have running boards from Rivian to Cybertruck, and also the push bar. You have multi panels. You have actual light bars. A huge selection of carbon fiber pieces from ABS to real carbon fiber for your rear diffuser and front and side skirt. Have these storage bin for Cybertruck. Also, here's are the lips. Lots of wheel covers selection. So those are for 3YS. I believe the Cybertruck will be coming soon. Here's some cool deck spoiler, OEM Inspire. There's a rear diffuser. Looks really good, even in ABS. It's really nice. And then let's see what their other inventory is. You can see there's yokes. Lots of yokes option here, from full steering wheel carbon fiber to yoke carbon fiber, and it's for Y3 and S as well as X. You have display for the instrument cluster and rear entertainment display for the older Y and 3. So lots of things to look at here to see which one best suit you. So it looks like they're working on this 3. So this is the original 3. There's the Night Rider lights with the light bar, the deck spoiler, rear diffuser install, mud guards, door handle, carbon fiber. No seats though, but this does have the yoke and swivel mount, other accessories. But check this out, no seats. The reason is they are putting in this new performance Highland seat, or Juniper performance seat. Check this out. This is per the technician, 80% done. This is about 40% done. The back seats are completed already, but you can see how intensive the installation of these seats are. These seats are not just covers, they're full replacement. So now you can get ventilation. You do give up heating feature, but you do get ventilation. So not a lot of people use heat seating, especially on the west side of the US. But if you're interested, and the shop is in Orange County, so usually pretty hot here. You can see there the bolster on the bottom seats as well as on the shoulder and on the side hips. So very difficult to install this. Like, definitely cannot do this as DIY. It's going to be very challenging, especially when you don't have all the tools You gotta take the seats out. That's one difficulty. And then removing the actual seat itself. So there's the seat, and then installing these new seats. So you can see there, this is the OEM seat. And then they just have to, it's basically they're re-stitching the whole seat. Very complicated, but they're able to do it. And just to show you the rear looks pretty good too. These are actually covers, but they're really good quality. Really good quality. Has this nice Alcantara on the edge there, or it feels like Alcantara on the top actually. And this is real Napa leather. It looks good. So a little heat will, get rid of all the stretch mark, but just check this out. There's no seats in here. The removal process is very intense, as you can see. There's door seals on this car. This the Performance 3 has everything: carbon fiber hood, the actual fog light carbon fiber, and the lip. Looks really good. And now with these performance seats, you can see they're very tedious work to install this. Lots of effort. So yeah, if you're interested in these installation, not just these seat covers or seat replacement, carbon fiber, everything from automatic presenting door handles to actual wheel covers, carbon fiber kits, display. You need installation of the running boards, light bar, MOLLE panels, push bars, yoke, steering wheel, even headlights. You need help with that, tail lights, anything that Tesla can't do customization wise. This is one-stop shop that's able to help you with these install. Even the swivel mount for the 3 and the Y, as well as the Cybertruck. So I'll post a link in the description of this video where you can find the shop. And if you're interested in any of this product you want to purchase and bring in, use the description to find the link and use the promo code. We'll get you additional discount. So whether you have a Tesla or Rivian, they do it all here. Thanks for watching. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe.